Imagine this. You finally published your book, and now you're waiting, hoping that readers will feel compelled, not just to finish your story, but to write a glowing review. But how do you make that happen? Today, I'll reveal research-backed strategies to inspire readers to leave reviews for your book. Plus, I'll share a secret tool that top indie authors use to turn readers into passionate reviewers. The power of book reviews. Reviews are social proof. According to a 2024 Nielsen survey, over 85% of readers say reviews directly influence their decision to buy a book. More reviews mean better visibility. Amazon and other retailers use the number and quality of reviews to boost your book's ranking. So let's break down practical techniques you can use right now to encourage more readers to review your work. 1. Write an unforgettable author's note. Here's something most authors overlook. Add a sincere personal message at the end of your book. Thank your readers for their time and politely tell them how much reviews matter to you. Example script. If you enjoyed this journey, your review could help other readers find this book. Even a sentence or two makes a huge difference. Why it works? Psychological studies show that direct requests, especially when paired with gratitude, significantly increase response rates. 2. Make reviewing easy. People are busy. Remind them that a review doesn't have to be long or complicated. Encourage honesty and brevity. Provide review prompts at the end of your book, like, "What was your favorite part?" Or "Did a character surprise you?" Keep looping back. Every additional nudge increases the chance of action. 3. Engage with your readers, everywhere. Don't just vanish after launch. Respond to reader messages and comments on social media. Feature standout reviews in your newsletter. Show appreciation, publicly and privately. Research tip. Readers who feel seen by the author are far likelier to leave a review in the future. 4. Offer review copies. But the right way, giving away review copies can help. But the real secret is finding the right readers. Target readers who enjoy your genre and are active reviewers. Use platforms dedicated to connecting authors and reviewers, like, for instance, the Booktasters community, where passionate readers are ready to give honest, constructive feedback. 5. Leverage the power of communities. Online book communities like Booktasters connect authors and eager reviewers, making it easier for both sides to benefit. Reviewers. Sign up with Booktasters and discover new books that match your interests. You get early access to great reads, and your feedback truly matters. Authors. Booktasters helps you reach authentic readers. Don't leave your reviews to chance. Work with a dedicated team that supports you in every step, from matching your book to the perfect audience, to honest feedback and increased visibility. Quick recap. Why reviews matter and how to get more. Personal connection. Ask directly, thank genuinely. Lower the barrier. Show how simple a review can be. Engage after launch. Keep conversations flowing. Find the right readers. Use review communities. Support each other. The Booktasters community has resources for both authors and reviewers. Don't go it alone. Ready to take your reviews to the next level? If you're a reviewer looking for fresh, exciting reads and want to make your voice heard, sign up now with Booktasters. If you're an author, let Booktasters help you find enthusiastic, honest readers who love to talk about books. Remember, every review is a win for you, your book, and your readers. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, like, subscribe, and share your own experiences in the comments. See you in the next video where we unlock more secrets to author success.